joined the Mandela link. She came back to rights and then she came back to Mandela again and she informed me. Thank you, Amina. Thank you so much for doing that. And me, Munib, Muhammadi, where is he? Yes, Yahya, Anas, all were having fun in Mandela.
Yeah, but
Okay.
it was good, ma'am, if we didn't join only.
Thank you, children, for waiting and being patient. I apologize. Okay. Okay, so I have now the ones who've discussed this will not open the mouth. Okay, I don't want Yahya, Anas, Munib, and Muhammad to uh, unmute themselves. Okay, so this is a brain teaser. If you solve this riddle better, some of the students amongst you who I have named right now have already done it. So let's see. I'll read it out for you, everybody. You have to tell me number wise. Okay, don't write on the screen, do not scribble, no annotation. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Dinkeldorf have a problem. They have identical quintuplets: Jessica, Jennifer, Justina, Judith, and Jackie, and they can't tell them apart. Okay, so if two children are born at the same time, what do we call them?
Twins.
Twins. If children are born at the same time, what do we call them?
Triplets.
Very good. Triplets.
Quadruplets.
Quadruplets. Okay, and if five children are born at the same time, we call them as
Quintuplets.
yes. Abdullah, it's okay. Okay, and they can't tell them apart. Okay, so there are five children. You can't tell who is who. Okay. So we have to help them, and there are certain clues given. The first clue is Judith is sitting between Jessica and Justina.
And the middle, the second one is
The middle, the behind in the middle.
Keep quiet, Abdullah Bright. Listen to the other.
Ma'am,
clues.
I did not go. I was not in the Mandela link.
Yeah, I know, but don't do that. Okay, now you tell me number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who?
Ma'am, I know. Can I say who is Jessica?
How about you put it in chat?
Ma'am, the
Let me
position
see.
to mention is very hard.
One
is this,
Just
two
one,
is this, three is this, four
One
is
in the
this.
name, two in the name, three
Ma'am,
in the
this is
name, two in the-
Jessica.
Okay, 1 minute. I'm Hamdan. Are you with me? Hamdan, Aisha, Rujda,
Yes, ma'am.
Muhammadi, Hamza,
Yes,
Umaira,
ma'am.
Yahya. Why are your videos off? Come on.
Ma'am, this is Jessica.
Ma'am, the fourth
one is
Jennifer. Two devices. Ma'am, the
Over.
fourth
Ma'am,
one is Jennifer.
this is Judith.
Keep quiet. Tell me the first one.
This is Jackal.
First, jackal. Jackal is an animal.
Nobody is
Jackie. Jackie. This is Jackie. It was looking as Jackal.
I understand this is an SDG class, but we cannot make humans.
Ma'am, the first one is the first number is the first number is Jessica. First number
Okay, the
This
first
is
one is Jessica. That's
Jessica.
correct. Second,
Second
Jessica.
one is ma'am. Second one is Judith.
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 Judith
Okay.
is in the middle over here.
All right. Yes, and the third one.
Ma'am, the third
The third one is Jackie.
I know that.
Jackie is over here.
Third one is Jackie, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, Justina. Ma'am, Justina. Yes, ma'am.
Justina,
Abdullah is
very
correct.
good,
Abdullah is
Abdullah.
correct.
Okay. Yes, Abdullah is correct.
Ma'am, fifth one is Jackie. And fourth
Yes,
one
Jackie.
fourth is Jennifer.
Jackie.
And the fourth
And the fourth one is Jennifer. That's right. Okay, smarty pants. I am sure Mr. and Mrs. Dinkeldorf have got some help from you. And me was eating and forgot to on video.
why
Okay, Muhammad, you can switch on your video and eat. We don't have a problem.
Why
Please don't
did
keep the
we
videos off.
everybody's names on J? They'll get confused even more.
You are right, Juveria. You should be happy they did not name one person Juveria. Or they should have mentioned Juveria sitting in the middle of Jessica and Judith. All right. Okay, let's go ahead. Now, hello, everybody. Welcome back. How was your vacation? All of you.
Super good.
Super good. What did you do?
Ma'am, I stayed for my ride, Yulu, and then we had guests coming.
Oh, that's nice. Yes, yes, Aisha. Somebody said, ma'am.
I went on a ship to Murud.
Okay, you went to Morod. That's nice. Okay, even I went out vacationing. I'm sure we had a wonderful vacation, right? Okay, so here is the second task for you. You have to tell me what is common amongst the three
Ma'am,
words.
you went to Maldives, right?
Yeah, I did. Okay. Why are we all talking like Muhammad? Muhammad Muhammadi. Can you stop that?
Ma'am, can you say what
Okay.
did you do that second task?
Yeah, so the second task is you have to tell me something common between the three words that I tell you. Okay. So, what is common between banana, sun, and this picture? Why are you all so smart? What for? Where are you going to take all these marks to? Okay, this one is difficult. Percy Jackson and SDG 14.
Water.
Guys, so can you tell me which is the SDG that we are going to cover in this? Sanitation. Life underwater, that's excellent. So we are going to cover SDG 14, life underwater. And when we start, what I want you all to do is I want you all to quickly go on www.menti.com, or I'll send a link. Okay. And you have to tell me. Yeah. Yes, I'll send the link. Okay. So you can directly click on the link and you can state your answers. And in that link, you have to tell me three things or three ways you used
what is
water
the
this
code?
morning. No, Munib, go on the link. I'll give you the code as well.
Already did www.
Let me give you one.
So my computer doesn't have virus protection.
Okay, that's the code if you have gone from www.menti.com. And if you directly want the link, then there you are. Okay, you have me mention three things or three ways you used water this morning. Come on.
Ma'am, this is the code which you typed. Ma'am, this is the
Yeah.
code.
Yes, that's the
What
code.
we have to write, you said?
Okay, I have the first response called washing hands.
Ma'am, I was
Yes.
in the water at all the three and I did enter and it went away.
Oh,
Ma'am,
go
what
back
we have to
again.
type, ma'am?
You have to name three ways in which you used water this morning, Ibrahim. Who is this? Can't even share. Can we not write that response? Can we write a decent answer for that? Yes?
Ma'am, can you see mine? I
I
submitted.
can hear you snickering, Ibrahim. Was it from you?
What?
That vulgar response?
I wrote washing.
screen?
I wrote that washing hands,
Delete it right now.
brushing teeth, and washing and to washing.
Okay, so I have washing hands, hand wash, drinking, washroom. You see, washroom is such a decent response. Okay, brush, yes, making
Ma'am, I wrote.
bathing, yes.
Ma'am, I wrote
Good,
drinking
excellent.
water, bath, and
The top three on my list on my screen is brushing, drinking, and washing hands.
Ma'am, mine is brushing and drinking, ma'am.
Just look how beautiful it looks. Name three ways in which you use water this morning. There it is. Brushing, drinking, washing hands. I have bathing, to drink it. Then there is Vadu, okay, mentioned 2 times. Bathe, wash myself, excellent. Hand wash, yes, you have to during the times of pandemic. Constantly keep your hands clean, okay. Took shower, made breakfast is the most unique one that I really like.
Who makes breakfast
Out
with
of the
water?
box answer. Yeah, you need water to make breakfast, right?
Maggie. Make
So
Maggie with
to make
water.
Maggie, yes, definitely. Oh my god.
Who
There
eats
is no
Maggi?
survival without
Who
Maggie and
ate
Maggie with
Maggie
water.
in breakfast?
Yes, ma'am. Who eats Maggi?
There is somebody who had a very unhealthy breakfast. We all know that that's Hamza, the discovery guy. Okay. All right.
One banana, some dried fruits, and a lot of bhaji. And that almost made me vomiting.
Really? But you had such a healthy set of breakfast.
Do you know if I eat bhendi now I vomit at the same time?
See, I don't like Wendy. That is one thing. But why would you like puke it out?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Anyway,
like curry
it's your
noodles.
time.
I like curry noodles.
Curry and noodles.
Curry noodles. Curry noodles. The name
Curry
of the noodles is curry noodles.
Acha,
It's very
I've never
spicy.
heard
Top
of it.
ramen.
Ma'am,
Top
I
ramen.
thought, oh, ma'am, we
Okay,
make no
okay,
curry.
okay.
Ma'am, I thought he said we made no that curry. And
No.
Yeah, I know that.
I thought he
Curry
makes
and noodles.
noodles with curry and eat. Ma'am, I was like,
The curry
That's
noodles.
I also thought that only curry.
But ma'am, top ramen. Top
Top
ramen.
ramen,
Under
yes,
that,
yes.
under that it is written curry noodles. Curry
Oh,
noodles
little
it
one.
is.
Yes, I see that. Okay, that's good, Ibrahim. I'm happy. Even I eat ramyun. I don't eat Maggie.
I also
So
don't like
now
Maggie.
I have few questions for you. 5 questions. We'll call this round as fastest finger first. Okay. You know the rule. You have to use Zoom raise hand. Okay. Whoever Zoom raise hand the fastest will get to answer the question. I'll ask only 5
Ma'am,
questions. So trivia.
Ma'am, I don't have raise hand. Ma'am, I don't have raise hand.
After I ask questions.
Ma'am, I don't
That's
have
cheating.
raise
After I ask
hand.
questions.
I don't have raise hand. Can I put thumbs up?
Give me a thumbs
me
up.
too,
Yeah.
ma'am. Me too. Me too.
No, I have.
thumbs up.
I have, ma'am.
Don't put it in chat. Hamza said to raise hand. Just said to me. Hamza, don't do it.
Ma'am, I have raise
I
hand.
don't have raise hand. I will do thumbs
Ma'am,
up.
I have raise hand. I have.
Those who have raised hand, please raise your hand. Those who do not have raised hand, kindly give me a thumbs up. After the question is asked, only 5 questions, so be very fast. Let's see who has the fastest finger. Okay, here we go. How much percentage of species on Earth live underwater? What is the percentage of? Okay, I saw Abdullah's first. Raise hand. Please go ahead.
No, ma'am. He didn't do it first. He didn't do it
I
first.
did it first, ma'am.
No.
Okay.
Ma'am, I don't know the
Ibrahim
answer.
did it before you said the
Okay,
question.
Ibrahim doesn't know the answer.
on the screen.
I'll repeat my question again, and now who does it, I'm gonna give the answer, give a chance. Okay, what percentage of what is the percentage of species on Earth that live under water? No, on the count of 3 you have to do it. Okay, on the count of 3. I'm gonna wait for those raise hand to go down first.
Ma'am, it will never go down. We need to do lower and then only it will go.
Lower hand, of
yeah.
course, lower your hand.
Do lower, press the button lower hand, then only it will go.
It doesn't show lower hand.
It
Yes,
shows in
ma'am,
mine.
it
It shows.
shows.
Okay,
ma'am.
Mohammadi, please lower your hand. 1, 2, 3. Juveria did not.
Ma'am,
1
it
minute.
is
Why
me,
is it
I
glitching? I swear it showed Juveria raising her hand. Okay,
Ma'am, it
Amina,
was
go ahead.
me.
Amina, go ahead.
No, it was
80%. No, wrong answer. On
Ma'am,
the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Mohammadi.
ma'am, I also raised hand.
78.
Incorrect. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yahya.
Ma'am, they are from first, ma'am. You can say the first term. पहले से था, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I also
Very
did
nice.
it right
But you
now.
don't know the answer, Abdullah. So it's okay.
I know the answer. You not
Ma'am,
giving
I
the
can
Yeah,
tell,
yeah.
ma'am.
doing thumbs up, not
Ma'am, I
checking
can
it.
tell, ma'am.
Who's doing thumbs up?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 45.
I saw you do thumbs up. Please choose the golden thumbs up. I
Ma'am,
cannot see the brown one.
45%.
No, no, no. Incorrect.
Ma'am, I don't have golden thumbs up. I have brown thumbs up only.
Okay, ठीक है, brown thumbs up. No problem. All right, I'll change the question. Abdullah is like
No,
raising
ma'am,
his
I
hand.
am raising hand, ma'am.
answer. I
I have the answer, but you did not give me
I
the
got the
chance.
answer.
Okay, Ibrahim, give us the answer, Ibrahim. Come on.
Ma'am, it is 55%.
Incorrect.
Ma'am,
Incorrect.
15%.
20%.
Incorrect. Okay, let me ask you.
99%. 99%. 99%.
5%.
9%.
Repeat.
99%.
Everybody keep quiet.
20%.
Abdullah is correct.
20%.
It's 99%.
Ma'am, I didn't know also then
Good
also
guess,
I
Abdullah. Good guess. What can I say? Okay.
Ma'am,
Now,
how come it is 99%?
how much percent of Earth is
I
covered
googled it.
in
It said
water?
75.
How much? 1 minute. Listen to the question first. How much percentage of Earth is covered with water?
Ma'am,
On the count of three.
Ma'am, your first
One.
question was how many species, what percentage of species live underwater? That's not
Yeah.
99%.
It is.
Ma'am, search on Google. It is not.
Ma'am, now, ma'am, so
It
many
was
have
showing
been changed.
15%, ma'am. It was showing 15%.
No. It's not. So Google will give you different responses. The closest answer was 99. The actual answer is 91%. Okay.
Ma'am,
So only
91.
9% of species live on land. Rest are living in water. Now you tell me how much percent of water is
Ma'am,
there on Earth.
process. Ma'am, I
1, 2, 3.
Ma'am,
So many. Okay, Aisha Aga, go ahead.
oh,
105%.
105. No, incorrect. Juvelia, go ahead.
75?
75 is the correct answer. Okay, it's 75%. No, 75. Okay. Where do we get 90% of the oxygen from? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Ibrahim.
ma'am, air.
Incorrect.
Amazon.
Umar.
And the jungles.
The?
Ma'am, Amazon.
The forest.
The forest.
Incorrect.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, the Amazon rainforest.
No. Everybody put your hands down. Just put your hands down. Lower your hand. All of you lower your hand.
Water.
All of you lower your hand. Yes, Aisha Kazi will answer. Why nose moving so much? Like Aisha Kazi was here and then she went over there and now she's in the middle. Okay, tell me. Aisha Kazi.
The oxygen
Then can I say?
90% of the Earth's oxygen comes from dash.
Ma'am, can I say please?
Aisha, a little louder. You have to speak a little louder.
Ma'am.
Don't shout.
Ma'am, I'll try.
Yes, after Aisha, Hamza gets the chance. Mohammed is correct. But I want a proper word. That could be anything. I want the name of the proper water.
Ma'am, Pacific Ocean.
No,
I'm
that's the incorrect answer.
Rainforest. Rainforest.
No, incorrect. Rainforest is incorrect.
ocean.
Water.
Ocean.
Hamza, go ahead.
Plants.
Hamza said plants. Plants is not the correct answer. Ibrahim prompted the right answer by guess.
Trees.
No.
Trees.
Oceans is the correct answer. Yes,
Yay.
Amina. Oceans is the correct
Ma'am,
answer.
how can we get air from the ocean?
I'll tell you. You know
Oxygen.
so the reason of me
You told
bringing up
sea,
this
not
SDG
ocean.
topic to class, the reason for me to bring this SDG topic class was because I just came from a place that was near the Indian Ocean. You know, I
Maldives.
played in the waters of the Indian Ocean, and trust me, I went for scuba diving. I did scuba diving there.
Ma'am,
So the
Maldives,
corals-
right?
Yes, Maldives. You know the corals that are there, the plants in underwater, they are called corals, right? And corals are homes to fishes, tiny small fishes. Okay? Oxygen is not mixed in water. The plants that are underwater, they produce oxygen. And when I dived down, I could see the corals and bubbles coming out from the corals.
Yeah, ma'am.
Oh,
We
ma'am,
also went
if
that.
They were
if
like,
ma'am we
you have
pollute,
fish tanks? Do you have fish tanks at your house?
yes,
Yeah.
not
You
on the
put
house.
fish tank and the bubbles come
Yeah,
out.
the bubbles come out
constantly.
from there.
Yeah,
When we
that
also,
was the scene.
when
Yes,
we also
yes.
went, we could also see this. We
Exactly.
went to
Ma'am, I want to say something.
And I was 1 minute, Ibrahim, and I was amazed. Trust me, I was amazed because I had only heard and read in books that oceans produce 90% of oxygen on Earth. You know, we think we get it from the atmosphere. Atmosphere, no doubt, has oxygen. Okay, it has the presence of oxygen, but 90% of Earth's oxygen comes from water, from the oceans. Okay, and I saw that happening. So it was mind blowing to see the corals, not only the fishes. I saw amazing fishes, like different species. I can't even name them. You know.
Ma'am, did you see animals
Sorry, what is that?
Animals, ma'am, they're plants.
under the
Which are
water?
seriously alive.
Okay. So
And
those
clownfish?
corals and the plants that were there, they were producing oxygen. The bubbles, there were so many streams of bubbles going up continuously. So that was a sight to watch. Fact that yes, we get 90% of water from oxygen from water is true.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
want to say
Um,
something. If
because
we
of
pollute
Right,
the
go ahead.
water, then if we pollute the water, then they will not. They
The
will not
corals die.
produce.
The corals die. They will not produce, or the plants die, and
That's
they will
why
not
we
produce
shouldn't.
oxygen. Yes.
We should
So
not
it's a
produce
cycle. Everything is
pollute.
linked. You know. A good step ahead, Ibrahim. Okay. Next question. Has the amount of water present on Earth, or the volume of water present on Earth, changed? 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yeah, I'll repeat my question. Has the volume of water, or the amount of water present on Earth since the time Earth water came on Earth, has it changed ever? You have to answer in yes or no. Okay, Munib,
Ma'am, yes, it has changed.
that's an incorrect answer.
Ma'am, it is a correct answer.
Definitely, no, it has not changed. You know the water cycle. You know the water cycle. The water can never get destroyed. It can be put into other forms and other states of matter. It can turn into ice, it can turn into vapor, it can turn into water again, but it can never be destroyed.
But ma'am, if we pollute it, then how?
It
We
can
refresh
be
it.
polluted, it can be polluted, but water will remain.
Ma'am,
There will
but
not
it will
be
not
a fresh
Ma'am, but it will not
polluted
remain,
water.
ma'am. It particles will
But you cannot destroy
It
water.
will
You
remain.
cannot,
We can
you cannot
refresh
finish it.
water.
Okay?
We can refresh water from the separating methods.
Yes,
Ma'am,
you
Ibrahim
can.
is switching
Okay.
sides.
Why
Last
did not
question.
switch side?
Because of what cycle?
Telling
Okay.
anything.
Last
Yeah,
question
ma'am.
for the quiz. Last question for you. Why are oceans important? You can now. Everybody have to answer this question. Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Type your answer. I want your responses to be in the chat. Come on. Why are oceans important? This is my question to you, Rights and Mandela. I want your responses to come in the chat. Okay. Humera, Okay. Amina says to get oxygen, it gives delicious fish and give night because we get water. We get water from the oceans. How?
Ma'am, we get water from the ocean.
Yes, I
And
know.
they are purified. They are purified and
And
then they come.
Yes,
oxygen,
ma'am, the
okay, Amina
salts are
says
removed
oxygen. Hamza says because
and
ocean covers 91% of life on earth and you can sell underwater. Sell underwater.
ma'am, the fishes,
Sale, okay.
the
They
coastal
help corals
areas.
grow and we get 90% of the oxygen. Okay, so I
Ma-
have a lot of students saying because oxygen is important for us in order for survival, it gives water, therefore
Ma'am, yummy
oceans are
seafood. Yummy
yummy fishes
seafood.
and prawns. Okay,
The
then we have
coastal area,
the
ma'am.
pure non-vegetarians speaking.
Ma'am,
I think your stomach is speaking on your behalf. Okay,
ma'am,
for underwater creatures to live, definitely, Amina. That's compassion. Good.
the people,
Yummy
ma'am,
seafood.
they
Okay.
have
I did
like
not get all the responses. Where is Anas's response? Where is Humaira Qazi? Humaira Qasim? Come on. Aisha Qazi, Rushda, where are your response? Okay. It is
ma'am,
home to many
ma'am,
species. Got it. Excellent point. Okay. Abdullah. Let's stick to the topic. Yeah. Underwater attacks and phases. Okay.
Ma'am, scuba diving also.
Juveria, where is Juveria's response?
To
Come
do
on.
scuba diving.
Hamdan, where are you? Have you gone off to sleep? We can only see your green screen. Okay, because ocean has 90% of oxygen and we need oxygen and water, salt. Without salt, no taste. Very good. Yeah, I like the point.
ma'am,
Underwater movies. Can we come out of it? Underwater movies are not made in oceans, by the way. They are made in swimming pools. Yes. Sorry to burst your bubble. Your life has been a lie. Yeah. Muhammad, you
ma'am,
can study later. We
ma'am,
will get.
ma'am,
What is
ma'am,
that?
it's very nice, ma'am. We have to put salt.
Okay.
It's a machine. We have to salty water from here, and pure water comes. There is salt in the middle, and we can, with that salt, we can do cloud feeding.
Yes, who told us about cloud seeding?
Um,
Muhammad Saqib.
Mohammed
Yes,
Saqib.
yes,
Muhammad
yes, yes. He told us about cloud seeding. That's a good point. That's a nice point. I really like it. Okay, Aquaman lives in the water. Ah, okay, Anas.
I'm now in one part of
Home to many myths. No, Muhammad, I'm not taking that as an answer. Okay, you can put your hands down. We are done. Good set of answers. Good set of thought process.
question.
Correct.
Who is Brill, ma'am? Who is Brill?
Brill?
Yes, ma'am. There is someone only, ma'am. Whose second bracket is written.
Brill Bicep? Brilliant Anas, Baba. All right, that's brilliant, Anas. Anyway, now I have a comic for you. We are going to do something fun. Okay, it's not just mere reading of the comic. You have to read the comic, all right? And in the comic, there are targets given for SDG 14. Okay, you have to read the targets carefully. So after you read the comics, I'm going to ask you. There are 6 targets. First 6 people who are able to tell me the targets, okay, they will speak, all right, and those 6 people will message privately, send a message to the other classmates. I don't know who those classmates are. You are not going to tell me. Privately message those classmates what is the target and what does it mean.
Can you
Okay,
say again? I
and then
don't understand.
after, yeah, I'll repeat myself. I'm going to make you read a comic. Okay, step number 1, you will read the comic. The first 6 students who are able to remember the 6 targets mentioned in the comic will give me the targets. Okay, then I will tell those 6 students to privately message any classmates in the class. Okay, suppose for example Abdullah tells me the first target of SDG 14, life below water, and I say, okay, Abdullah, now out of this entire class, you are free to message, privately chat and message one classmate.
All
Okay,
six goals, so we get the chance.
only one target. Okay, I'm going to ask
Ma'am,
one target each.
Are we supposed to chat it to you,
Ma'am,
or
can
are
I
we
say-
supposed to say it?
Ma'am, in chat.
1 minute. Let me finish first, then you ask me questions. Okay, I understand you have a lot of questions.
Ma'am, can I say
Now,
something?
Abdullah will tell me target 1 in the class out loud. I'll say, okay, Abdullah, you can message that target to any of your classmates and explain what it means. Okay, so
Ma'am,
Abdullah will mention the target and give a short explanation, a very brief explanation of what the target means. I don't know who that child is, who Abdullah has messaged. Okay,
Ma'am,
after we finish sending secret messages to our classmates, okay, no, don't message me. After we send secret messages to our classmates, everybody will stop, okay, and then I will randomly ask the child to speak. Okay, the 6 who can remember the target will not get a chance. The classmates who got the secret message, I'll ask them. Okay, so leaving these 6 main members, I'm going to ask the other students, and the other kid randomly has to tell me the meaning. You will not tell me the target, you'll just tell me the meaning, and I will tell you which number target you are talking about. Is it cool?
Ma'am, one
Everybody?
question. Ma'am, one
Yes.
question.
Go ahead, ask me your questions.
Ma'am, can I ask first?
Yeah, go ahead, Munib.
Ma'am, the 6 members are there, so they have to only message to a classmate, or they can message to the one of the members also who have the target.
No. So the 6 leaders, the main target members, can only message to their classmate. You will not message to the other target member.
People will message the meaning or the target.
The 6 members will message the target that they have spoken in class and what is the meaning of that target. Okay,
Can you message to any
It's
member
one
of the
one
class?
person at a time. Mohammed, do you have any question for me?
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have a
Anyone have any
question.
question? Rushda, go ahead, ask me a question.
Are we supposed to chat to you the
No, you don't have to.
target?
No. You don't have to chat with me. You
No,
have to
that's
private-
not what I'm saying.
Then?
Do we have to chat the target to you, or do we have to say it to you? Like I
First,
know
you will tell me the targets for me to identify who are the main 6 members. Okay. First, you have to tell me the targets out loud. Then I know that okay, these 6 members know their targets under SDG 14, but the explanation will be given by the secret messenger that you have. I don't know of. Okay. I should do that. I should
If like
yeah.
if if two people message privately to the same classmate, then
Good. Better. All the more better. I have no problem with that. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead.
Ma'am, can I say?
We have to give the only one classmate, or we can give two.
Only one classmate. Please give it to one classmate. Okay. Umar, speak. Yeah.
Ma'am, there are how many targets?
6.
Ma'am, I want to say something.
Say the target.
Ibrahim.
After
Abdullah, I'll come to
Ma'am.
you. Ibrahim. Yeah.
Ma'am, when the 6 main members, ma'am, the 6 members will they will message to one classmate, like
The secret messenger. Yeah.
yeah, the secret. Then you will ask us, right? So we have to keep quiet, or we have to message
You have to keep quiet. You can't speak that time. Okay. Abdullah, go ahead. Last question I take from Abdullah,
But
and I show
ma'am-
you the comic. Come
But
on, I
ma'am,
don't have
when
time.
you
Ma'am.
but ma'am, when you show the comic, then everyone will see the targets.
But very few will remember. I want to see who are those 6 main 6 who will remember.
Whoever remembers can message.
Will become a part of the main 16.
And what if the other
Okay.
people also remember it?
Sorry.
But what if the others also remember? More than 6 people remember it.
And we choose the first 6.
Better. All the more better. But I will choose only 6. Okay, Abdullah, speak. Yeah.
Ma'am, so after you you and share, then we have to tell.
Yes,
have
yes,
to
after
shout
I
directly.
unshare, obviously. I'm not going
You
to
have
share
to
and
shout
let you.
directly, ma'am. You have to
You
shout
don't have to
directly.
shout. You have to raise your hand, okay? We are going to keep that rule, okay?
Ma'am, we have to
Here
remember
I am
only
sharing my
one, no?
Yeah, you have to remember only one. If you want to be a part of the main six team, kindly focus on one target
Ma'am,
and
if the
understand what it is.
ma'am, if the other person also take the first target.
Come on, it's
Whoever gets
45.
chance, first come, first serve.
Ma'am,
Okay?
come on, it's 45, ma'am.
What, ma'am?
Yes.
You told?
You tell your classmates. Don't tell me.
Arey, Umar, stop now. However
All right.
it will
I'm
be.
sharing my screen, everybody. Read the comic thoroughly. There is no, I'm going to give you enough time. Just in case if you're not able to finish by 45, we'll continue in the next class. Don't worry.
Scroll down, ma'am. Scroll down. More, ma'am. After 1, 2.
Relax, Munib. I have to take care of everybody in the class, right? There are different reading speeds.
What does identification mean?
Scientification. Sorry.
No, ma'am, not scientification.
Then
Acidification.
wordfication.
To minimize.
Acidification. Making the ocean water turn into acid by adding all the chemicals and everything from the factories, you know. Okay. I'm going to count in 5 seconds more. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. All right, time's up. I hope you all have read. Okay, Umar Juveria first, second, Rushda third. All right, Aisha Kazi 4, Amina 5, Abdullah 6. Okay, the main 6. All right. Umar, go ahead. Tell me the first target or any target that you could remember.
Ecosystem. Protect the ecosystem.
Protect the ecosystem. Was it the correct? You have to be correct, okay? You have to be precise. Protect ecosystem is the right one. That is target number 2. Umar, go ahead. Explain. Give a brief or short explanation of what protect ecosystem means to any one of your secret messengers. Come on, I should not know. Juveria, you are second.
You
Go
have
ahead.
to private message, not to anyone.
Rescue and prevent pollution.
Rescue and
Prevent pollution.
reduce and pollution, Juveria. You can't rescue pollution, right? Okay, so you will reduce and prevent pollution. Juveria, quickly, a short, brief explanation of what that means, what that target means to a secret messenger. Okay, Rushda.
End overfishing and illegal fishing.
Okay. End overfishing and illegal fishing. Quickly, message. That's the correct target. That's target number 4, I guess. Yeah. Please, a brief meaning of what it means to your secret messenger. Amina, go ahead.
Develop communities of fishing.
Sorry?
Develop communities of fishing. Develop
Help
communities of
community
fishing.
fishing or fishing communities. Okay. All right, Amina, quickly send that message. What does it mean? Aisha Kazi.
To prevent acidification.
To prevent acidification. Okay, so scientific involvement of a scientific cooperation. All right, so go ahead, quickly tell them what does it mean. Abdullah, you are the 6th one.
Ma'am, I also took scientific cooperation. operation.
That is done. Abdullah, tell me the last target. Come on. I'll give you a hint. It's based on the what law?
Underwater rights.
Under. You are so close, Abdullah. Your guesswork gets you through, right? So it is international law, right? Underwater rights, as you may call it. That's correct. Okay. Come
Ma'am,
on.
I have a question.
Yeah. Just a minute. Abdullah, quickly send a message to your secret messenger.
What if
Abdullah,
two of
It is
the
international law, ma'am.
yeah,
International.
yeah.
what if
It is
Ma'am,
make
what
and
if two of-
maintain international law. Okay. Yes, Amina.
what if we send the message? What if two people send the message to the same person?
No problem. That person will have two explanations to give. Okay, that is not a problem. Okay,
And
did
two
you
will-
receive the messages? I will know who it is if you nod your head. Don't do that. Okay, if I ask you, did you receive the messages? Those who got will say yes. I will come to know who you all are. Okay, don't do that. You have to be the secret messenger. Okay. My main 6, did you send the message? Who did? Give me a thumbs up. Who all sent the message already? Okay, Rushda and Juveria send the message. I have other 4 sending the message right now. We'll stop here. Do not leave the class unless you've gotten a message. Those who've sent the message can leave. Juveria and Rushda may leave. We meet next. I'm going to okay, you have to remember what it means. Okay, apart from Juveria and Rushda, nobody
Can I
leaves.
stay?
Hamdan, what is that yes for? Hamdan got a message. I know Hamdan got a message. He just told me.
We got the message. Umar said.
You are not supposed to answer, Hamdan. You have to be alert. That was a tricky
Ma'am, I
question.
didn't send him a message.
Now you can't joke.
Ma'am,
Now
I've
you
sent.
can't joke.
I've sent, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna send. Go. You may leave. All right. Umar, did you send the message? Secret message sent?
Typing.
Okay, type. Take your time, not a problem. Those who are not in the main 6, do not leave, please, because you never know if you get a message. Abdullah, did you send the secret message? Leave. You may leave. Okay.
Ma'am, can I leave?
No. Only after the main 6, all the main 6 leave, then only you all will leave. The secret messengers, okay?
Ma'am, I sent the message.
Okay, leave.
I sent the
Juveria,
message.
you can leave.
But
Aisha can't leave. Aisha can leave from one account.
Ma'am, I sent the
Aisha, don't
message.
leave from the Golden Sparrow account. Yeah.
I don't leave.
See? You send the message, Umar?
Ma'am.
Okay, leave. Are all 6 messengers, are the main 6 done? All main 6 have sent the messages? Okay, I think we'll end here. We'll stop the session here. Everybody, bye-bye. Take care. Have a good day.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Ma'am has left.
Okay, bye.
What about the secret messengers?
They can also leave because all the 6 are done.
Then who will tell, ma'am? Next class.